Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we're going to be talking about another website which you can use to make some money online. Hey guys, on this channel we like to talk about the stock market, affiliate marketing and different ways that you can use to make some money online. If that's something that interests you and you like the sound of it, then go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so that you're notified whenever we bring out new videos. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump into the content so that you know exactly what we're talking about. Now, I've gone ahead and I've created myself an account just so we can get on the inside of the website and I can show you a little bit about it. So I'm going to go over there now. This is called Bankroll Box. Now, when you sign up and you get into the site, this is the first thing you're going to see, and it's honestly, when you first get in, it's a little bit confusing as to where to go, but I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the different things that you can do within it. It is predominantly survey based, okay? So you are going to be answering surveys. Now, I know there's a lot of you out there that do like to do the surveys, and there's an equal amount of you that don't. So this one is survey based, so we're going to take a look at what it has to offer. So when you get in here, you go down the left-hand side here, and you can see it tells you how much cash you have in there, how many bankrolls you have in there, and how many completed offers you've got, your referrals, and your withdrawals. The last 15 added, this is like offers, tasks that you can do if you like, down in the last 15 added. And it's got your promotions down here on the right-hand side. If we scroll down a bit, you've got some site activity and it tells you what members have cashed out or what members have done what offers and how many bankroll books they've got from them. That's useful because if you see one that may have a nice amount of bankroll books that they've just made, you can go ahead and you can complete that exact same offer. So we've got the last 15 completed, and this is, I guess, the most popular ones for this site. So if we go back up here to the top, you'll see across the top, you've got some tabs here, and this is another way you can get through to the different things. So I'm only going to touch on different things you can do. We can go to offers and offer walls. Now, offer walls seems to be the best one to get your offers and your tasks that you need to do in order to earn your bankroll books. And if you look down here in the latest completed, it'll tell you tap research, daily surveys, and then it'll give you all different ones. Video box, these are popular ones to try. So if we go back up here to the top and look at offer walls, and then you go down, you can see the tap research wall. So if we click on tap research wall, then you'll have a list of the different things you can do. They tell you how many minutes that each survey is and how much you're going to be rewarded for it, and it tells you how many stars it has, so you can like judge yourself whether you think it's going to be one that you want to do. And at the bottom you can hit click more surveys and it's going to bring up more surveys for you. The other one is revenue wall, and you can just go down these and look at different things that interest you and see which one that is your preferred way of earning. This also links up to Survey Junkie, right? So it links up to that. You can link to that and you create your own account in there as well, which is another survey site, but it's one of the best ones there is. And you can run your Survey Junkie from inside Bankroll Box, and you just click on the links and go through to the site there. So I just want to show you withdrawals. So there's a converter here, and this is how you convert your bankroll books into cash. So I didn't know what I was doing to start with, and I clicked on this not realizing what it was. I thought it was going to like tell me how much so many bankrolls were equal to in cash, but it actually converts how many bankrolls you've already made. So I had, say, 34.15, and I wanted to just tell me what that was in cash. So I put in here 34 and convert to cash, and it actually converted it to the cash. So I ended up with 34 cents in my account. So it's 1 bankroll to 1 cent, if you like. And so, as you can see here, there's lots of different things you can look at on there. And now I want to just quickly show you, where was it? Frequently asked questions. And this is where you get paid and how you get paid. Again, small amounts of money. When you're doing these kind of things, when you're doing surveys, when you're doing different micro tasks online to earn some money, generally what people do is they do multiple at once. And so because you're not going to earn enough money just from doing one site to make a big difference to your income. And so people generally do a couple of survey sites, a couple of micro tasks, maybe some shopping sites where you're already shopping online and you're saving money that way. And when they add it all together, it can make a decent amount towards your monthly income. And so when you do these, just bear that in mind. So let me show you withdrawal. The minimum amount you need to withdraw from Bankroll Box is $1 into your PayPal. If you want to get paid via check, it's $5, and then you can get gift cards. eBay is $5, Starbucks is $5, Walmart gift card is $10. When can you be expected to be paid? You can request to be paid as many times as you would like in a day, as long as you reach the $1 minimum for the fixed amount withdrawals. So that's pretty much all there is, or all I'm going to go over today. The site has so much more in it. If this is something that you would be interested in looking at, if you want to add it to the survey sites you're already doing, go ahead, check it out. I'm going to put a link in the description below for you so that you can just click on over there easily. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the content, if you didn't know about the site and I've given you some new information, that's great. That's what we're here for. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss a video. And comment down below, say hello, let us know what you think. Hit the like button. It helps us as a channel to grow, which we are obviously trying to do. So for now, that's everything. Take care, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.